RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF University.
Are you looking for a job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. ITI Limited is inviting applications for the positions of Company Secretary and Executive Secretarial Grade 2 on a tenure basis of 5 years. The last date for submission of applications is on or before August 12, 2024. For detailed information regarding these positions, please visit the career page of their website at www.itiltd.in. THDC India Limited is seeking experienced professionals for the positions of Deputy Manager in IT and Senior Engineer on a fixed-term contractual basis. For detailed information regarding eligibility criteria, selection process and other relevant details, please visit their website at www.thdc.co.in and check the career section. KCC Institutes Greater Noida is inviting applications for deans, professors, assistant professors in various areas including the Institute of Technology, Institute of Management, Commerce, Law, Journalism as well as for managers and assistants. Eligibility criteria are as per UGC norms and there is no constraint on salary. Hostel accommodation will be provided to outstation candidates. Interested candidates should apply by sending their applications to careers@kccitm.edu.in. Heights is seeking experienced professionals for various positions in civil engineering and architecture for its offices across the country. The available posts include Vice President, Associate Vice President, Deputy Vice President and Deputy Vice President in Architecture. For detailed advertisement and to apply online, please visit their website at hllheights.com/careers on or before August 16, 2024. Bihar Grid Company Limited is inviting applications from experienced professionals for contractual positions as field engineer in electrical and field supervisors, electrical and civil in the state of Bihar. For details about the vacancy breakup, application process and other information, please visit the career section of their website at www.bihargrid.co.in. The online submission of applications begins on August 12, 2024 and the last date to apply is September 11, 2024. HIMT Group of Institutions is inviting applications for various academic and non-teaching positions. The academic posts include director or principal, a professor, associate professor and assistant professor. Non-teaching positions are also available like graphic designer, lab technician, lab assistant, yoga trainer and more. Interested and eligible candidates are requested to send their resume and credentials within 15 days from the date of this notification to appointment@himt.ac.in. Delhi Technical Campus affiliated with GGSIP University New Delhi invites applications for professors, associate professors and assistant professors in BTech, BCA and MBA. Additionally, a programmer for technical training with relevant industry experience is required. Qualifications and salary will be as per UGC norms. Interested candidates should apply by sending their applications to careers@delhitechnicalcampus.ac.in. For more details, visit their website at www.delhitechnicalcampus.ac.in. State Bank of India (SBI) is recruiting sports persons for positions of officers and clerical staff. The eligibility criteria, requisite fee and other details along with the link for online submission of our application and online payment of application fee are available on the bank's website at bank.sbi/web/careers. Candidates are advised to go through the detailed advertisement to ensure their eligibility before applying. The dates for online registration and payment of fees are from 24th July 2024 to 14th August 2024. Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited (HUDCO) is inviting applications for 33 positions available at both lateral levels and for young professionals. The posts include Senior Executive Director, General Manager, Senior Manager and Trainee Officer. For further details about the eligibility criteria and other information, please visit the Careers tab on their website at www.hudco.org.in. Please note that applications will be accepted only through the online portal and not through any other mode or agency. Birla Institute of Applied Sciences inviting applications with resumes from eligible candidates as per AICTE regulations for the posts of Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Engineering and English. The last day to send the resume via email to deputyregistrar@birlainstitute.co.in is 5th August 2024 and the last day to submit the hard copy is 15th August 2024. For more details, visit their website at www.birlainstitute.co.in. So that wraps up today's updates, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you've enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share with friends and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until then, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।